Right. So previous class we discussed about now you are able to hear me properly. Voice is clear.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your voice is clear now.
Okay.
There is no external disturbance going on. Up to now,
So
it's
one,
very clear.
yes, only
Alhamdulillah.
1, 2, 3 guys is okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh
In the meantime, we will in 2 minutes we'll take a quick review of what we had in
yes,
the
yes.
last class. The different modes we discussed, sir, in the last
Yes,
class.
yes, different types of modes we discuss. Okay,
Yes, sir.
common mode, privilege mode. Okay, user mode. Okay, interface mode, router mode. Okay, sub interface mode, line mode. Okay, got the point. So these are the mode which purpose. Okay, why is have so different configuration you want to do the inside in the router. So you have to enter the different modes. Okay, so that is the reason we have router have the different types of the modes. Okay, clear. So now uh we are going to discuss about today we are going to see how to configure, how to access,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
how can access the router, right? So first thing, so in that there are two types, two method you can say, you can two types to access the router. One is physical. Okay, second is remote. Just wait, I will
Sir, this is which
this is my
version, sir?
router.
No, sorry, sir. So sorry to interrupt you, sir. This is
Yes,
which version you have, sir? This is actually just
so
now I have
this is
downloaded.
6
Just now,
6.7. This is the old version.
okay. We just now I have downloaded, sir, this one Cisco Packet Tracer from Netcad Academy. Actually, I was having account with them. So about
Okay.
I think it is copyright Cisco 2021. It's showing. It's 8.0 point.
That is the latest one.
Okay,
That
it's
is
okay.
that's the one. No
It's
problem.
latest one.
More uh features is available in that one.
More features. Okay, sir. So no, no,
But
sir.
doesn't
Actually, I thought whatever is being taught in the class, we will go with practice side by
no,
side. If
doesn't
we have.
matter. That is a good if you install the more features, because latest models routers,
Yeah,
latest
yeah,
model
yes, sir.
operating system models,
Yes, sir.
more commands available in that one, so
Yes,
you
sir.
can do the practice well and good. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right.
Thank
So
you, sir.
this is the router. This is the router. So I need to access physically. For example, this is the new router, or is coming from other company, other branch, right? So you need to first thing you need to remove. Otherwise, you need to configure whatever scenario, right? So first you need to enter and remove. If you have the old router, second hand router, or else this is the new router, you need to configure. So that there is two methods you can log in. So first scenario, physical access. How to physical access, right? So physical access purpose, router have this console port, this console port. So already we discussed which cable, how is the cable, okay, how to connect, everything we discussed, right? So now I'm going to show the how to connect. So with the help of my laptop, so I want to connect. So take the cable. So here which connector, console connector, and here RS32, this one. Now inside the inside your in your laptop should must have one application. With the help of that application you can access, okay, to access to the router, enter the router, right? So that application is putty or teratrum or hyperterminal. In XP, if you are using the XP operating system, by default is available in XP hyperterminal, but Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 you have to download. That is a free of cost, or you want to pay, you can pay, okay, whatever. So this application to access the router, okay. So how it's look like, already I show you, right? So this is the application. So here you need to select the connection. For example, you are connecting physically, so you need to type or what you can say, select this option putty and IP address means remotely you want to access. Physical access, so Terratrum, I or hyperterminal, I hyperterminal, hyperterminal. Oh, this is expire. Okay, here I will see. So putty hyperterminal software you can install. Once you install, so desktop, this is my laptop desktop, and select hyperterminal. Here you need to select and click on. Okay, already we discussed these things. Click on. Okay, so now you are enter the router. So here you can configure, right? Whatever config T. Now first assume that you everything you configure, right? Now you can come back. Okay, you are come back, your cable is, you are disconnect the cable from the router. Okay, you are take the laptop, but the problem is security problem. What the security means, anyone can come and connect again the cable, so they can easily access with this with the help of that application. So that is the reason I want to secure this port. So I need to configure this port, or this is and second thing, next time anyone want to access the router, so he must be type the password, secure password. Okay, got the point? So that password you should be provide. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes,
Clear.
yes. So that so what the configuration I need to do means, next time I want to log on, so it will ask the password. Okay, so otherwise before after the configuration I want to remove, and anybody want to log on to the router, so that time router will ask the password. So that configuration is called line configuration, line mode configuration. Okay, console configure, this is called console. So this console port I need to secure. So how can console? So starting from the zero, any port, anything, if you are seen in the switch and router, so starting from the zero, so zero nothing but first. Okay, got the point? So this is the one thing is a physical access. Second is remote access. So router anywhere in the your network, because all are whether the interconnection physically, but remotely you want to access the remotely, because for example the router in the router server room, right? Completely server that is locked or maybe secure, so you want to enter, so you need to take the permission or you need to take the authentication. So that is the reason remotely you can access the router remotely from here to here you can access, right? So how we can, because between this cable is there. Now from here to here you can access, right? So that is called remotely you're logging to the router, right? Router, switch, whatever devices. Okay, so you want to access the remotely. So there is the second method, remotely. So what are the necessary thing you need to configure inside the router? What is the necessary thing you required in the computer, right? So we are going to discuss this. Now we are using this switch, but just now we are not discussing about this device, this switch, right? So now thinking about, this is the only mediator to make a connection between router to your system, right? So that's we need to know, and we need to think about that one. That's only mediator. So from here you need to access. So what are the important configuration you have to do here, and what are the requirement you have to configure here in this your system? That's we need to discuss. Okay, so first go physical. So physical connectivity I done. First thing, physical connectivity. So I did physical connectivity, my laptop, my router, my cable, my ports, okay, interface, whatever I connected, right? Console. Now I need to enter the router. So that purpose I have this software. I enter the software. Can you able to see? This is small things. Yes, Usman. uh, Sadanan. Mr. Sadanand. Mr. Usman. Usman is available or
Usman, I think he left, sir, because some network issue. I think I'll
yes, yes, yes.
rejoin again. But what about Muhammad Umar and Sadanand? Kindly response. Umar,
Yes, Mr. Umar. Can you able to see these letters? All this is clear on your screen.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
Usman
Yeah,
was joined.
yeah. Actually, sir, there was a problem with my internet again.
Yes,
I
yes,
was
I know. I
I was
understand.
going with this Wi-Fi. Now I connected this physical cable. Actually, there was a disturbance in the voice, so I thought it's because of this wireless. Yes, sir. I'm
Yes.
back, sir. Like
Okay.
you.
Yes, sir. Okay, right. So now, so here I need to configure because with the help of this software, I can enter the router. So now I am enter the router. So the command is enable and then config T because whatever a configure I want to do. So first I need to enter the global configuration mode. So just keep in mind, always keep in mind, whatever configuration you want to do. So first you need to enter the global configuration without any thinking, without any hesitation, right? So first enter the global configuration mode. After that, think what you need to configure and where you need to go, right? But till here, no need to think about anything. If you want to configure, but you want to see what is the configuration, that is a different thing, right? Clear? So here, see here, this is the router. So I need to check, for example, if you have your head office sending the router, so you want to see the what are the configuration is there inside the router. So that is the reason one command is available. So that command is show run. Show run means running configuration, what the running configuration is available inside the router. So command is show run, the one it will show what is version, operating system, and host name, router, and IPv6 is not available. And then because this is the new router, so there is no any configuration. See interface 0 by 0 and 0 by 1. This is the interface. Two interface this router have. Okay. Now check the console. This is the console. Line console, line auxiliary port, line VTY. Already I told you auxiliary port is act as a console port because this port is damaged, so that time you can use this one. Okay, got the point. So this one console port, console interface, and this is the VTY we will discuss later on, right? So now we are going to consider about this one. So this interface we need to configure this line console. This is we need to configure. Why? Because after that all configuration, otherwise you want to anyone want to access after the anyone access, so router will ask the password. So that is the reason we need to configure. Okay, this is the line console. Okay, so zero, already I told you start from the zero. So how can enter? So global configuration interface line console, and if you give the question mark, so it will show the 0-0 means zero only. So enter. Now you are enter in configure line console. So now first what you need to type. So first you need to assign the password. So what is the password according to your company policy? If here I am typing CCNA, the password, enter. Which purpose we are configure line? Anyone log into the router, anyone want to access the router, anyone enter the router, so that purpose on that time router should ask the password, and that guy provide the correct password, so that time router can allow to access the router, allow to enter the router, right? So that is login purpose. So here we need to give login and exit. So this is command to check the configuration. So what command we are typing? Enable, then config t, and then line console and 0, and then password CCNA, and which purpose? Login purpose, and then exit. But all these thing I want to save in the side the router. So that purpose I need to configure WR right. Clear? So this is the configuration. Otherwise, this is the first command, and then exist. Okay. Before that, already you know, enable, type the enable and config t and console. So this is the configuration of the console, line console. Okay, clear? Now exit WR I save. So check the configuration. Previous configuration is there is nothing on anything is blank console. Now type the show run command, show running configuration. Now check it, what the configuration is there. See here. And easily for understanding purpose, I'm telling here, see here, this line console doesn't have any space, but this password have the space, some one space. Login have the one space, but line console doesn't have the any space. See here, interface VLAN doesn't have the any space. Interface fast 0 by 0 doesn't have the interface, right? So IP address have the space, right? So without space, what are the command is available? So that command is typing on global configuration mode. Keep it mind. यहाँ से भी आपको पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है? So to see this one, you can easily understand. You can make it out. This command where in which mode they are used, right? So
Without
space directly is using here. So this command is using on global configuration mode, right?
So
After that
what we can say,
space
sir,
means
without space, the command that is
this command is using on global configuration mode.
okay, without space.
And with space means this command inside this configuration. So first interface fast 0 by 0 I enter the interface. After that I am assigned the IP address, means inside this interface. Same here, line console, see here. So this is my global configuration mode. See here, line console, this command. And you can see here properly. So this command, so configuration mode. After that I enter the line mode, right? So see here,
which space means we are inside the interface.
yes, see here, console, line command, line console. This command I'm using in global configuration. In this space here, so means I enter inside this command I'm using inside the console line, inside.
Yes.
Okay, this login also. Clear? So easily you can identify, make it out. So which command where it used. Got the point? So now I configure. Now you're seeing here console password and CCNA login, right? Got the point? So this is the thing you can. Now go and check. Exit. See here, when exit, it will ask me the password. Suppose have button will okay. So when I okay click, it is asking the password. So what the password I typing? What the password I'm assigned?
CCNA you have assigned.
Yes, I'm assigned the CCNA, right?
Yes.
CCNA, right?
Yes.
Now
Yeah.
enable, and whatever I want to configure, I can configure, right? So this is clear.
Okay. So this is the technique of assigning like
Yes, this is a
password.
physical access purpose. Okay. So what I did inside the router,
We have given the password to this console port so that
that's I enter here. That's I
yeah,
enter the router, so I
yeah,
configure the
yeah,
line.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
password, assign the password, and this
yes,
one.
we have gone to console port, and we have assigned the password to the console port so that anytime anybody try to log in the console port, it will ask first the password
Right.
for
Now see
authentication.
here, exit, show, running configuration. So this password anyone can see, right? Right. If typing the show, because see here, this mode, which mode? Privilege mode, right? Administrative mode, privilege mode, right? Not global. So this is password is appearing, right? Anyone can see the password, but I want to secure the password. No one can see, no one
No
can
one,
watch,
yes,
right? Got the point. So in that there is password we can assign. One is this normal password, and second is secret password. So how we can config t line console 0 here. Uh, so before that, I will show you. See here, one is hashing format, one is encryption format. We can configure hashing format and encryption. See here, when you see here, no password is encryption. Password encryption is there. So encryption, so what it will do, it will change the password. So I will show you, because inside the router, this service is still, no sir, this service is not available. No service is password. Miss enable means no, because whatever you want to remove, so just before the config, whatever the configuration we are configure, before the configuration, what the command you are typing, before starting the command, you have to type the no. For example, line config t line console 0 you are typing, so just you want to remove the password, so just type password. And password assign purpose, what we are did, password, right? And assign the password 1 2 3 like that. Just you need to type no. So no means is remove the configuration. Whatever configuration you are done, the same configuration is removing. No, just you need to add no. Okay. So here the what is written, no service password encryption. And now see here, space is available. There is
no
no
sir,
space.
there is no
No
space.
space. So I want to enable this service, encryption enable service. So what I need to type? Without no, right?
Yes, sir.
Without no. So what I need to type? Service password encryption. But where I need to type?
In line console,
Global
in
configuration.
global
See here,
configuration.
without
Yes.
space, without space. Okay.
Yes.
So when I type here, so see here, before that I want to show run. See here,
Yes.
this password
123.
console 123. I type the enter. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
it's change the password
Yes.
123. So
123.
password you means you're able to see, right?
Yes.
So now I want to change. So service password encryption. So then see what happened. Exit. Do sorry.
Show run.
Show run. See here increasing this one and this is actually this is your password 123 password is converted to in this code, and this is the algorithm is using means which algorithm is using to
Hashing.
convert the password to, okay.
Yes.
So this is the 7 but hashing format purpose is using 5 algorithm, message digest algorithm. Okay, so this is using in encryption purpose is using the 7 encryption. Okay, so in the hashing format that is a 5 password. Okay, that is called secret password. We need to assign the secret password, right? Got the point? Clear? But the thing is, if I type no service password encryption, then my password what happen?
It will come to the original format, sir. It will come
It's
as
come
one
to the
two yeah, 123.
okay.
Let us see.
Yes. Yes. Right. Okay. See.
So
Let's see
so
what happened.
no,
See here. It's come back.
no, it has not come back. It's again in the encryption format.
So that's only one encryption, not decryption. Okay.
Okay.
So decryption. So you need to take this one and
Remove.
use the third-party tools, or you can decrypt. Okay. But here, router will not decrypt, right? Okay. So once you, so that is the reason. Be sure and be uh,
So so
very
so
careful,
so sir,
very careful when assign the password,
yeah.
right?
So
Once
we can remove and we can assign the new password in that term.
yeah,
Like
that is
for
a different scenario.
administration.
That is a different scenario. Okay, okay. You can remove, you can do it. But company policy, for example, you are decrypt, right? But you forget the password.
Oh, yes.
You need to log on, right? You need to log on to the console port, right? So
Yes, sir.
that time what you will do,
Yes. That
right?
will be a problem. Yes, sir.
That is script. So be careful when assign the password to remember that one. Okay, and write down where you want. So be safe. Save the password. Okay. What the point? So that is the clear. So this is an encryption form, secret form. We will discuss. Okay, but I want to complete this one uh, uh, remotely. Okay, in remotely we have the how to access the router with the username. So that time I will show you secret. Okay, secret hashing format how it will be. Okay, got the point? And we can assign the here secret password also. We will see. Okay, so this is the physical access to how to configure the line console port. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I remove. Then now 2, 3, and 4. So which interface was 0 by 0? Why I'm telling you? Because right now we are using the dummy. So any port you can use, but when we discuss about the switch, so that time you are not good like that one, but you
Yeah,
need to specify the interface, everything, right?
yes, sir. Now, just to understand, we are
Yes.
imagining it as a just an interface in order to understand the concept.
Okay. So now to remotely, I want to access the remote. So some condition is there. So first thing, what I need to do? First, I need to configure the router. So which interface I configure, because I connect to the fast 0 by 0, this interface, right? So in this interface, so this interface is a communication, right? Not access. So communication interface required the IP address, right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So communication interface is compulsory. Yes, Mr. Okay, I'm in Germany.
Two people only sir, today in the meeting. I think people, because of
Okay,
that session,
okay, okay,
people
no issue.
got tired or they are unable to join. No problem.
Okay, there. Okay, right. So now what happened? So I need to configure this interface. So this interface, I want to communication, this interface for the communication purpose. So I need to configure IP address, right? So first I need to assign the IP address, for example, IP address 10.0.0.1 and subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Okay. These things I assign, right? This is the interface. So this is the interface configure. Which interface? Fast 0 by 0 interface. Clear? So
Yes.
that things I need to do. But by default, these all interface of the router by default, I'm talking about the by default, all interface of the router is shutdown mode. Shutdown mode means it's closed for security reason, anything, because on anywhere anybody can access anything, for example, whatever, but by default is shutdown mode. So you need to enable this port, you need to make a no shutdown. So that purpose, in interface, inside the interface, you need to use that one command, no shutdown, no shut, this command, shortcut no shut. Okay, so you have to use this command for to wake up the port. Okay, clear? That's thing we need to configure. Now in system side, what the configuration, system side, you have to assign same link, because this system communication to the router. So communication purpose, this is the LAN interface. So this system interface also required the IP address. Okay, so I configure here to 255 dot 255 sorry 255.0.0.0. This is the subnet mask. And one more thing is, because I need to assign, because I want to communication to here, so my gateway, so gateway address I need to type. So what is the gateway address, we will discuss it later on. So okay, so not, we are not going to explain, I'm not going to explain about the what is the gateway, we will discuss further. So I'm going to remotely, so gateway address, this interface, router interface address I need to assign 0.0.0.1. Same like here also 10.0.0.3 in subnet mask, and 10.0.0. Right, so 10.0.0.4, 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.5, 10.0.0.1. Okay, this the configuration I have to do. Okay, clear? So now these are the two things. Now remotely he want to log on, remotely this user or administrator want to log on to the router. So that purpose I need to configure, because console port is a physical accessing. So inside the router we have one configuration, that configuration VTY configuration, virtual terminal emulation, right? So this configuration I need to do. So here this give the option, because only one person remotely, one person is not login, right? For example, senior guys want to log on, security guy want to log on, okay, you want to log on, right? Or company manager want to log on to see, okay, what the configuration you are want to do, okay. So that purpose VTY give the more than at a time more than one user can log on. So here 0 to 15, maximum 15. So total 0 is means 16. So total is allowed to 16 user can access at a time. 16 user can access, right? So this VTY configuration you want to do here inside the router. Clear? You got the point? So first let one by one and see what is the error which will become if you have not configured. See here. So first thing, I'm configured to desktop just only IP address 10.0.0.2 and subnet mask. I'm not assigned any default gateway. Okay. Now check ping, but ping to whom? Because I am not assigned any address to this router 10.0.0.1. So obviously request timeout, right? Because I assigned the IP address, but self test. If I do the self test, so I get reply, right? Because I assign the IP address. See here. Ping 10.0.0.2, I get reply because self testing. Now I'm going to assign the IP address to the router. Now I'm inside the router. Now which interface? Fast 0 by 0. So how I can interface global configuration mode? Interface fast 0 by 0 enter. And before that, see what is written on this interface. Fast 0 by 0, so there is no IP address. And duplex, what is the duplex? We will discuss later. Speed auto. Now here is shut down. This port is shut down. This port is shut down, right? So we are going to configure first IP address. IP address. What is the address? 10.0.0.1. Subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Okay, I assign. Now type no shutdown. Enter. So that status is up. Yesterday I show you the one command to see the interface status. So what is the command? Do show IP interface brief. See, I assign. So that is up and up. So why this up and why is here is up? What is the meaning of this up? What is the meaning of this up? We will discuss. Okay, inshallah, lease line. When we configure the lease line, so that time we will discuss. Okay, clear. So now this I am assigned the IP address to this interface. So this interface status is up. Now I assign the IP address. Now go and check. I can able to ping or not. Right. Right, I can access. Now those side both side I can assign the IP address and communication is okay. Now I want to access, so remotely I want to access, but how can access? So physically I want to access, so that purpose I'm using the one application that is the hyper terminal, right? But here how I can use, which application I can use? So no need to application, but here one service is required. The service is required remote service, but here we can say telnet. Telnet. The port number is 23 tel. Okay. So port number telnet. The remote service is available port number 23 here. So with the help of this service, I can access. So I enter the router. Oh, sorry, enter the PC and go to the command line and type telnet. And to whom do I need to telnet? To fast Ethernet. So I can't write the fast Ethernet, right? Because it's understand the IP. So what IP address I assign to the that interface? So that IP address I need to assign 10.0.0.1. Now see here, what? Trying to open that host, foreign host is closed. But ping command 10.0.0. So I get the reply, right? I reply. But when I telnet, because this is the service is different, ping service is different, right? So ping is the command is belong to SMTP protocol. So this message provided by one protocol, this command is provided. So like that, you can see the multiple error. We will discuss later on that one, how many errors it will show, what are the command we can use, tracer, ping, okay, many pro. So here, what he said, foreign is close. Foreign is close. So now I'm going to configure the VTY. Do show run. Show run. See here. Line VTY 0 to 4. Login. So here is not configure. So I need to configure here. So how I can enter same like that? Config T line VTY see 0. See question marks here. So how many? 15 user can access. So here I'm giving the 4, so total 5%. Now enter. Now password I'm assigned CCNA. Which purpose? Login purpose. And then exist and do WR. Now see, do show running configuration. See VTY04 password is CCNA. Now interface, so fast 0x0 interface, and this is the, see here, this one and this command. There is no shutdown. Previous is shutdown is available, but here no shutdown is not available because I'm typing no shutdown, right? Now configuration. Now again go to here, type ping, so communication is there. Now type telnet 10.0.0.1. see here what is asking, Mr. Usman.
User access verification, Shasmi.
Yes, what is the password?
CCNA.
Okay, CCNA.
Yes.
Because there's ask entering, we are entering, right?
Yes. Yes.
So we are enter, so password enable, no password set. Yesterday, remember I told you, remember
Yes, sir.
when you type between enable user mode and privilege mode, between we have the security, that security have the password security.
Yes, sir.
Password secure, because in the corporate maximum people are not accessing the physically. So because every time, because you want to access, you choose to check the configuration, routing, okay, route is available or not. So maximum work is going to check, right? So that
Yes.
is the reason it provide the user mode. User mode already told you maximum, but anything configuration, anything you want to do, so security is available. So what type of the security between these two mode we have the security? What type of the security? Password security,
protection.
right?
Yes.
So because still I'm not assigned the password, so that is the reason is not allowed to enter the administrative mode, right? So again, if I type no password set, right? Understand? But if directly I can enter the router, see here password. What is the password?
CCNA.
CCNA 123, not CCNA.
Yes, CCNA. 1 2 3.
See here, CCNA I'm typing is not accept. 1 2 3 console port, right? Console, because accessing, physically accessing, I'm enter
Okay,
the
okay.
router, right? Physically.
Yes.
So enable, so it will provide, right? Because physically security is available console, right? So I type the console password, I can enter, right? But
Yes.
remotely the password, VTY password, I must assign the what was CCNA, I enter. But again I want to do one more thing, configuration, so that time is not allow, right? Till that time not assign the password, enable password, that is called enable password. Yesterday I told you, I explained, right? Enable password. So now remotely I can access, right?
Yes, sir.
So this, with the help of this PC I can access. Now same thing I'm going to configure here. Have you address 10.0.0.3 10.0.0.4 and 10.0.0.5. Clear. Now this guy is login, but is not password, right? But still is login, right? Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now this guy, check it out. Telnet 10.0.0.1, enter password CCNA, now is login, right? This guy also login. Now command line telnet 10.0.0.1, enter password CCNA, login. Another guy telnet 10.0.0.1, enter CCNA, login, right? Total 1 2 3 4 guys login, but I assign how many users? 0 to 5. Now what I do, I added one more users and try to make a connection remotely. Ten dot zero zero dot 6, 10.0.0.7, now ping 10.0.0.1. Yes, I get reply. Now telnet CCNA password. Now this user also log on. Now ping 10.0.0.1. So now I get reply. Now check the telnet 10.0.0.1. So now see here what happened. Connection refused by remote host. Mr. Usman.
Yes, sir.
So why I get this error?
Sir, why? Because in VTY we have assigned 4 users.
Yes, because see here only not for you 5 users.
Okay, 5 users.
1 2 3 enable, so show run 0 to 5. 0 is nothing but 1, right? And this is 4. So 4 plus 1, 5, total 5. So this user not 1 2 3 4 5. This 4 5 user can access, right?
Access.
But this guy is not access. But you want to, this user can access one, so you can increase. Otherwise this log out from the router, and now this user can see here, you can access CCNA, right?
Yes, sir.
because at a time 5 user can access. So like this you can access the router. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Understand? So this, but this user want to access, he can access or not?
Yes, sir. He can access.
No, he can't access,
Oh,
because only 5 user can
also
allow
only
at a
only
time,
only five.
because we are login here 1 2 3 4 5. Previous is login, right? But this guy is not login. Once is login, so that time he can't log on. So total in this scenario, total how many people can log on to the router?
Five people.
No, total six. One
Six.
person is physically he can log on, because I'm logging physically, right?
Yes, sir.
See, because if I exit, sorry, exit, so I can log on. So what is the password? 1 2 3, right? So I can log on. So total this 5 and one physical, total 6 user can log on to the router. Clear? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now remotely I can't enter the privilege mode, right? Privilege mode I can't enter. So I want to enter the privilege mode. So what I need to do? See here, enable. So no password. So that is the reason I need to assign the password. Okay. So that password is called enable password, right? Enable password. Config T enable password. So you can assign the password. See here. Okay. Here you have the levels. We will discuss later when you assign the password. Okay, so here I'm going to assign the password. So what the password I can assign? CCNP I can assign enable password. Okay, now I want to enter exit telnet 10.0.0.1. The password is CCNA. Now enable, so it's asking the password. So what is my password? CCNP. Now I enter, right? Then I can, whatever I want to do, I can configure. Do show run. See, so enable password is my CCNP, which is showing, right? Got the point? So everyone, so now this time everyone can enter the router. So CCNP command, the password they can type and they can enter, right? So everyone can access. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But now still there is no security. Why? Because if anybody know the password, they can enter, right?
Yes, sir.
They can enter. So if you know the password, so they can enter. So that is the reason. But everyone, but how many people can access? Only administrator, right? Or senior. So few people can log on, right, to the router remotely. They can access. The rest of the people doesn't need to log on, right? So because sorry, sales department people, why they required to access the router, right? Only IT department, in the IT department particular, those people are related to this network. Okay, means router and switch. Those people can have the permission. Those people need to access the router, right? Rest of the people doesn't want, right? Clear? But in this scenario, how many people are connected, and whatever we configure, so that much people can log on, right? Either 5, either 6, right? So in this scenario, what I am thinking, I need to configure the user level, right? So when anybody want to access the router, so the router must be asked the username and password. Username and password first. And after that, he's asking the login password, right? So first, which user have which user have the privileges, which user have the permissions, so that user can only log on to the router, miss user. Because see here, when I try to log on, when I type, is not working. Control Shift X 6 you need to type. Takes some time because wrong command I'm typing, so it's going to check. So either DNS, so broadcast, this is the broadcast address. So he's checking the broadcast, any this command, nothing but any server is there. So find out the server. Okay. Oops, sorry, again. Now telnet 10.0.0.enter. So that time is not asking the any username and password. So I want the router must be asked the username, and password. So that time he can enter the router, right? Got the point? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So how to configure the router, how to configure the user, how to assign the secret password, right? And how to enable password, right? We'll discuss. But I think so because I finished, because that is the extra thing. Those people are not attend, right? So it's better to, I will show you tomorrow these things. And
Yes, sir.
next, lease line configuration, right? Lease line configuration things. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anything want to ask? Anything doubt you have?
So today we have seen the password and number of
Physical
users.
how,
Yes,
yes, how to
yes, sir.
access the
How,
physical access, how to access
how
remote access, and
and
how to configure physical means console line, and
and
how to
and and
configure line
and,
VTV.
yeah, and using this VTY, we are assigning the number of users, right?
Yes,
We can increase or decrease the number of users using this VTY.
access the router.
Yeah.
Yes,
How many people can access? Okay.
yes,
So that two passwords was what, sir? One password was for like physical console port and to get entry into console port, and second time there was one more password we were using. That password was,
see here, total we are using first thing
yes,
console
yeah,
password, right?
yes, yes.
That is the first thing. Second, VTY password we are assigned,
Okay.
right? And third is enable password. Enable
Yeah,
password.
yeah. This
This
VTY password
this
is
is,
for
yes,
users. Yeah,
yes.
increase or
Uh,
decrease number of users. This
no.
console pass.
VTY line password. How
Okay,
we
line.
can configure access, physical access purpose, console port, right?
Okay,
Right. So which password you need to type? Console password, physical access.
okay,
And remotely, same like that. Remotely, you want to access which passwords you require? VTY password.
okay. So VTY is actually remotely
This
for
is only
remote log.
accessing, to access
Okay,
the router, to enter
okay,
the router with the help of this port, this line,
okay,
right?
okay, okay,
You
okay,
want to go to this line, so you have to keep password, right?
okay.
Which password? Physically access, so physically password, right? If remotely, VTY password.
VTY password.
This password is because you want to do the some configuration, you want to enter the privilege mode, you want to
Okay.
enter the administrator mode, administrator mode, a global configuration, whatever mode. Because if
Mm.
you get the administrator mode, so you whatever you want you can do with the router, right?
Yes, sir.
So this password, because security is there, because user, if anyone can log on, anyone can enter the miss, there is no security,
There is no
right?
security. Yes.
So the router have the security between these two mode, right? User mode and privilege. What the security? Password. So this enable password means you want to see the few configuration, you can see, because it will provide the user mode, right?
Yes.
Just access, enter the access password, you can add, provide, and you can enter the router. You want to see few configuration, you can see, but you want to do the some configuration, and you want to see the every configuration, each and everything. So that time you need to enter the privilege mode. So you want to enter the privilege mode, so you have to type the enable password.
Okay.
What the
Okay,
point?
sir. Yes, sir. So that
enable command.
increase and decrease of users we were doing
Here, access, remotely access.
remote. Okay.
Here you have the options.
0 to 5 and whatever. So using VTY we can access remotely as well as we can increase or decrease the users, right, sir?
Yes, how many people want to access that remotely? This is based on the company policy, right? So
Yes, sir.
maximum at a time 3 users. Because see here, what happened? Any issue is comes, so it's not solved. So they are arranging the meeting. Meeting means technical issue, technical people. They are discussing technical issues, right? So what they're asking, for example, you are working because you are a junior, right? So you are telling, I have this, I'm facing this problem, right? So
Yes, sir.
that is a new problem, new problem is come. But you compared to senior guy is checking, that is a new thing. Okay, maybe whatever, that is the developer, that is the misconfiguration, whatever.
Yes,
So he could understand. Okay, so that is a new problem, new thing is coming. So that time he's going to join the conference. So he's accessing the, because the manager need to know, team leader need to know, okay, technical guys, the expert, they need to know. Okay, so these multiple guys is going to join in the meeting. Okay, so that is a different tools the company people you are use. For example, Skype, like that, this Zoom meeting, right? We can
yes, sir.
see, okay, screen share, right? So that time we are joining the meeting and we are going to discuss, right? So
Yes,
why is behaving like that, right? At what time they are discussing, what at what time the router behaving like this. Okay, what time is giving the problem, right? So they will discuss each other, right? So he's telling this is that this time is working properly. Okay, what the configuration you are done, anything configuration you are done. So that time he's going to explain, right? Got the point? And senior guy, because all our people are sitting in the same company, same place, right? So
yes,
different
sir.
different place there. So they want to check, they want to see the configuration. So that time remotely means all people want to log on to the router and they want to check. Okay, so they want to see the security guy is the problem, because security guy is using the some command, right? For example, he's using the some port is blocking, right? So in that, by mistake, he's blocking the one server port, right? So that senior guy, CCNA guy, is not done that one, right? So that time, so we are called to the security guys and he going to check the router, right? You are remotely log on to the router and that guy also log on to the router, right? So that time is going to check. So that is the reason we have to provide the multiple things according to company policy, what the company policy give the privileges to how many people to log on. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Okay.
Maximum 16 users means you can assign. Okay, and in that one level also you can assign one level. So which how many permission we have, okay, that we discuss. Clear?
Yes, sir.
But in that, I think in the interview that much is not accessing this. I only ask what is the console, what is the VTY, what is the password, secret password. That's it. No, not going to be this much enter. Okay, got the secret password, what is the hashing format, encryption format. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So inshallah, we'll do that
Tomorrow.
tomorrow with the password. Okay, and lease line configuration.
Line
Okay,
configuration.
lease line configuration must, inshallah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right, till that time, inshallah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Assalamu alaikum.